Hi, welcome to another video.
Neon lights flash in the dark of night. City whispers.
How do you like my spooky little gallery? Scary, isn't it? Hee 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 hee. Let's use the wizard to create a Canvas Power App and a model-driven Power App from an Excel workbook table. Easy, right? Let me show you how easy it is. First, create a new table. We will select the Import an Excel file or CSV option. I selected my Halloween worksheet and table. Next, I view the data. I am going to review the columns. Next, I name the table and select the primary field. Then save and open the app. Then we are presented with our Canvas app. Let's play it. I select the records. I save and name the app. So going back and reviewing the table, I need to add a column that holds images. I create a new column and select the file, then image column type. So, back in the table, I select Edit Row using Form. If I try to enter or paste an image into the Halloween picture file, it won't let me. This is because that field is not a file image type. I have to edit my form to include the correct field. I go to Forms in the Details page, and then select the main form. There, I edit the form adding the image field. Back in the table details, I select View and edit it to include the picture column. Now, when I open the form, I am presented with a picture field. Let's populate the table with spooky images. In the table, click the Create an App button at the top. So, it's created. Let's play it. If we double-click on a row, the form opens. That's it for this video. Hang around if you want to hear another AI-generated spooky little song I made.